I could probably scoop it that one up with a net. That right there, I can scoop him up with a net. Put him in that hole. Put him in that hole. It's probably a good 3-pounder. How's that for you? How's that for you? Can you believe it? That one I just caught with a net, but there he is. No, I'll get him. I got you. What was the chances of that? Never would have thought it. You can have him. Get the old hook out of his upper lip. I'm glad you was a witness on that. I said I was glad you was a witness on that one.
Oh yeah. You wouldn't have had it no other way though.
Hang on. God, he's full of sperm, man.
Ooh.
Let me hold him like that right there.
Hold him right there like a fisherman does. There you go. Turn him down like you had him. That's a good picture too. There you go. Good deal.
Yeah, big old hook jaw male.
I wouldn't have never thought he'd hit right today. As fast as he did. I mean, it's been 2 hours since he's put in there.
It might be him and it might be another one.
Well, he looks just like him because of the way he was skin up on his nose.
Yeah.
As soon as they pitched him in, he went right under that snag where you netted him at. He stayed right there.
Yeah.
And if you hadn't netted him, somebody would have netted him and put him on a stringer.
That ain't no fun.
No.
I like to catch them. I like to have a little fight to them.
Right. I'll tell you where I'll go probably before I leave. Go right up that swing, and there's a tree laying down there. And there's a hole about far from here to halfway that snag there. Looks like it ain't nothing in there, and I guarantee you can go up there and catch a limit trout right there, because they pitch them in that hole.
Yeah, and then when you go all the way across the bridge and going down there, and they got that house down there off the left.
And the old swinging bridge is still hanging.
You go up there and turn around.
Yeah.
It ain't no deeper than right there, but like you said, there's one little hole about 3 foot by 3 foot.
And they
that's
jam it.
Yeah, and it is just laying black right there. But
well, nice meeting you, and I appreciate it.
I'm glad to meet you, and nice talking to you, and